Hello guys, thank you for watching. I wanted to share my spring morning routine with you, and this is an ideal Sunday as a family. I share so many day in the life videos with you on weekdays that I thought I would do a weekend morning, so I hope you enjoy it. And this video is actually a collab with one of my really good YouTube friends, Brianna K. She is the epitome of a mom boss. She is a mom of two, and she posts amazing videos, house cleaning videos, homemaking videos. She posts tons of videos as well. They're always like coming out. I don't know how she gets done, the amount of things that she gets done. So she's going to share her productive routine with you, her daily schedule, and show you how she does what she does. I always look to her for motivation, so I know you will enjoy her. Her video is linked below. Subscribe and let her know that I sent you. So our morning starts anywhere from 5:45 to 7:30. It all depends when Forrest wakes up. He is the boss around here, not me anymore. And while I am starting to feed him and get him started for the day, that is when Chad will go downstairs and make us coffee. He always brings coffee upstairs, and it's really nice to have that while I'm feeding Forrest so I can wake up a little bit before I go downstairs and really start the day.
The ones left behind.
If you are new to my channel and Brianna sent you here, then I will warn you, Forrest is the cutest baby ever. He is 5 months old. He is my first baby, and we will hang out here around 15 to 30 minutes. It really depends. I will drink as much of my coffee as I can because I prefer to drink it warm. Imagine that. And then we will head downstairs into the living room, and we always hold hands while I feed him. He loves holding hands. It is so cute. When we are in the car, wherever we are, he loves to hold hands. When Chad is home, he helps me get Forrest ready for the day, so we will get him out of his sleep suit into an outfit, and Chad will change his diaper, and then we will all head downstairs.
Losing sight.
You need a diaper?
And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark.
Once Forrest is ready to go downstairs, we will hang out in the living room for a little while and drink our coffee, get that caffeine going, and then Chad will make breakfast. I love having breakfast at home, and Chad makes almost all of our food. As a lot of you guys know, he is so great at making just about anything, and I always look forward to his weekend breakfast.
As they come and they go.
And right before Chad made breakfast, Forrest went down for a nap, which is a special treat because it is rare that he is sleeping when we have a meal. And it is so nice to eat with both of my hands and not be holding a baby that's wiggling and wobbling all over and making me spill my food on the floor. If you're a mom, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's so nice to not have to like rush through a meal. So when his nap time falls with a meal time, it is amazing. And Chad is making waffles and scrambled eggs for breakfast. He cut up some bananas and strawberries. He put a little lime juice and sugar on them, and then he's going to make the waffles and the scrambled eggs.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else.
We both work a lot, and sometimes I'm working all day, both weekend days and all night. Sometimes Chad has a million things on his to-do list, whether it's work related or around the house, or there's always so many things going on. I'm sure a lot of you can relate to that. So when we actually have some time to take our time, we try and take full advantage of it, which we're doing right here, hanging out together, just the two of us, and enjoying a really nice breakfast.
Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
We are using the Kodiak Cakes waffle and pancake mix. It's really popular. You can find it at almost any grocery store. It's a brown packaging with red and black, and I'm pretty sure it's a high protein mix. I try and share a lot of Chad's recipes on my Instagram story. I always get so many requests to share a lot of what he makes. Almost all of it are ideas for dinner. Sometimes he won't tell me the recipe if he's not happy with it. He doesn't want someone to make it and not like it, but every once in a while he will tell me the recipe, and I always try and share it there.
Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything.
I hope that you notice my spring decor because I absolutely love it. That actually is my last video. It's a decorate with me for spring, and seasonal videos are some of my favorites. I love a new season, especially right now because winter feels like an eternity. So I'm really glad that it's starting to warm up. I love like all of the pastels. I love spring decor in general. So check it out. Home decor videos are some of my absolute favorite videos to share. Now we are finishing up our breakfast because we know our time together alone is limited. Forrest does not sleep very long. I would say it's like 30 to 45 minutes is a nap for him right now. They're not very long, so we're going to hurry up and finish our breakfast, and then he is going to wake up and be ready to play.
I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
Now this is when we will divide and conquer, so we have to take turns getting ready. One of us will watch Forrest while the other one showers, and then we switch. I'm going first. I typically will go first because it's a two-step process for me. So I will shower, and then I will watch Forrest, then Chad will shower, and then I will put on my makeup. And on days like this, I don't do my hair, but I do like to put on a little bit of makeup to feel fresh and to look way more well rested than I am. So we are starting that process now. Skincare is something that I get so many questions about. I'm always asked to share a skincare routine, but I tend to share a lot more skincare on my Instagram than I do here because I'm always trying out so many new products. I feel like my routine is always changing, but I love skincare. I love to like recommend products that work for me, and I actually just got a text from Brianna K, so I do share that on the screen right here. I thought that was so funny and so perfect since I was in the middle of filming this video anyway. Now Forrest is ready to go down for another nap, so I'm going to put him down for this nap, and Chad is going to shower.
Stars and sun are separated, rainbow colors newly painted. I put it all in a paper bag for you. Have a nice day. All the gods and all the angels got them waiting at your table. 'Cause giving you my heart was not enough.
And now that Forrest is sleeping, I'm going to finish getting ready. I'm going to apply some makeup and get dressed. And I do a pretty quick face. I do foundation, concealer, and some powders on the weekend. Again, I don't do anything with my hair. I washed it, of course. I always wash my hair when Chad is home because I don't have to rush extremely fast. I can somewhat take my time, and it's really nice being able to do that. So showers when he's home. I shave my legs. I do everything because I don't have to go a million miles a second. And after this, Forrest is going to wake up, and we are going to head out for a family walk.
All the gods and all the angels got them waiting at your table. 'Cause giving you my heart was not enough.
Good morning. And that is our spring morning routine, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for spending the time with me. If you are new, please subscribe, give it a like if you liked the video. Don't forget to check out the link below for Brianna. Don't forget to check out the screen to see Forrest in his sunglasses. I cannot believe that he wore them. He wore them the entire time. I was shocked. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!